The first question is, I saw a girl dash was carrying a basket on her hand. That, which, who, where, and who is the answer? The second question is, there was heard dash real anger dash his voice, and in, since, by, so on, for, out, and the answer is option A. The third question is, dash the sun is shining, it is not very warm, although, so, because, and but, and the answer is although. And the fourth question is, he took out a dash of keys from his pocket and opened the door. Stack, crowd, bouquet, bunch. And the answer is bunch. The fifth question is, the barefooted runner won the prize. The word written in bold letters means not properly dressed, not wearing shoes, not wearing jersey, not physically fit. And the answer is option B, not wearing shoes. Our next question is, the wind stood up and gave a shout. The figure of speech used in the line is option A, simile, option B, metaphor, option C, onomatopoeia, option D, personification, and the answer is option D, personification. Next question is, I will dash to you as soon as the result is out. Option A, get up, option B, get down, option C, get across, option D, get away, and the answer is option C, get across. Next one is, on the coming Sunday, my friend and I dash going to watch a movie. Option A, am, option B, are, option C, is, option D, have, and the answer is option B, are. Our ninth one is, they were happy dash the company dash each other. Option A, of, in, option B, with, in, option C, in, for, option D, of, with, and the answer is option B, with, in. Our 10th question is, which one is the correct form? The trees gives us fresh air. The trees given us fresh air. The trees give us fresh air. The trees have been given us fresh air. And the answer is the option C. The trees give us fresh air. Our next question is, which word is correctly spelled? And here the answer is option A. Our next one is, choose the suitable one from the following to get the meaning of put on. Option A, to go somewhere. Option B, to speak something. Option C, to wear clothes. Option D, to place an object. And here the answer is option C, to wear clothes. Our 13th one is, how will you request your friend in a situation to give you a company? Option A, could you give please? Option B, would you mind if I ask your help? Option C, Please let me know if you come or not. Option D. Kindly allow me to go. Here the answer is please let me know if you come or not. Next one is he is sun in my mind. This figure of speech used here is a option A. Simile, option B. Metaphor, option C. Imagery, option D. Allegation. Here the answer is option B. Metaphor. Our 15th question is a person who lives alone and away from the society can be called dash. Hermit, beggar, tourist, wanderer. Here the answer is hermit. 16th one is he was suspended from the duties because he dash. Option A. Did a mistake. Option B. Committed a mistake. Option C. Made a mistake. Option D. Done a mistake. Here the answer is option B. Committed a mistake. Our 17th one is calculator is an electronic device dash is used for doing calculations. Option A. Who, B. What, C. When, D. Which. And here the answer is option D. Which. Question number 18 is find the rhyme scheme of limerick. A. A B B A. B. B B A. C. A B A. D. A B. Here the answer is option A. B. Next one is I met Asha Irene dash the way. She lives dash Chennai. Options are at, in, on, in, at, in, on. And the answer is option B. On, in. 21 is what is the meaning of the idiom let the cat out of the bag? Option A. Let the cat by mistake. Option B. Couldn't keep the secret and told carelessly or by mistake. Option C. Opened the bag. Option D. Let the cat jump out of the bag. And now here the answer is option B. Couldn't keep the secret and told carelessly or by mistake. Our next question is he kept his dash of keys on the table and walked to the library. Option A. Flight. Option B. Team. Option C. Bunch. Option D. Gang. And the answer is option C. Bunch. 22nd question is if he dash in films, he will become famous. A. Sang. B. Sung. C. Sings. D. Sing. And here the answer is option C. Sings. Our next question is which of the following proverb means a timely effort will prevent more work later? A. Don't cry over the spilt milk. B. An apple a day keep the doctor away. C. A stitch in time saves 9. D. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Here the answer is option C. A stitch in time saves 9. Our last one is they have been studying in the same school dash 2010. Option A. Since. Option B. for, option C on, option D by. And here the answer is option A since.